If you've ever looked away from the camera while recording and wished you could make it feel more direct, CapCut's eye contact feature is a really useful tool. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the eye contact feature on CapCut step by step, so you can create a more engaging talking head video, save time on reshoots, and make your content feel more professional. And if you enjoy quick CapCut tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and bring in the video you want to edit. To do that, import your footage into the media library by dragging the video file directly into CapCut. Once it appears in your media panel, drag and drop it onto the timeline. This is where all of your editing will happen, so make sure the clip is placed correctly and ready to edit. Next, click directly on the video clip in your timeline to select it. This step is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to apply the effect to. When the clip is highlighted, you'll know it is active and ready for adjustments. Now, look at the Properties panel in the top right corner of the interface. This is where CapCut stores many of the video adjustment settings. Once you have the clip selected, go to the Video tab and then click on Basic. Inside the basic settings, you'll find a list of options that control different parts of your clip. At this point, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the basic configuration options. CapCut places the eye contact feature lower down in the list, so if you do not see it right away, just keep scrolling until you reach the bottom. Once you find it, you'll see the eye contact option ready to use. To turn it on, simply check the box next to eye contact. CapCut will then begin analyzing your video and adjusting the eye line so it looks like you are maintaining better contact with the camera. Depending on the length of your clip and the strength of your device, it may take a little bit for the analysis to finish, so give it a moment to process. After the analysis is complete, play back the video and review the result. This is where you can see how the feature affected your footage. If it looks natural, great, you're done. If you want to compare it with the original look, you can toggle the feature off and on to see the difference. That's a good way to check whether the effect fits the style of your video. A quick tip here. Eye contact works best when your face is clearly visible and well lit. If your video is too dark, your face is turned too far away, or there are objects blocking your eyes, the result may not be as accurate. So for the best output, use clean framing, good lighting, and a stable camera angle. This feature can be especially helpful for tutorials, talking videos, product reviews, and any content where you want to feel more connected with your audience. Instead of re-recording everything, CapCut gives you a faster way to improve the delivery of your footage, and that's how to use the eye contact feature on CapCut. Just import your clip, select it on the timeline, open the basic settings in the Video tab, scroll to the bottom by tab, and enable eye contact. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how confident and engaging your videos feel. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.